that shines twice as bright. Burns half as long. Who are you?
Twice as bright burns half as long, and you have burned so very, very brightly, Roy.
You know, I've had this like sneaking feeling, this creep in me to just do something different, radical.
So it's time to get gritty. It's time to, kind of do whatever I need to do.
Actually, I call it a dare to be great situation. It's a complete 180, a flip. And the idea kind of tickles me a little bit. It's like, can I, trade in a trailer on the streets of LA for a trailer on the studio lot? That's interesting. That's a dare to be great situation.
Just finish what you started. You can. Okay. Hook.
Okay, goddamn, what are you trying to do?
Scott, take your hands off. Keep going.
This is funny. It has me thinking back to years ago when my first time through Hollywood, and I worked a lot with great director Tony Kaye, and Marlon Brando was in the picture at the time, and we were talking about this story, and I thought of this, he was going to be head of like a troupe, a group, tour around the country, and I was thinking like decadent gypsies, vagabond playboy type of thing. He'd be pulled behind in this Airstream, and I think that vagabond is going to be me now.
Understand, I could have had class. I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody instead of a bum, which is what I am. Let's face it.
Break from my buddy Billy, an old USC friend. Yeah, he saw my post, said he had a trailer, an Airstream actually. He's gonna let me use it. Thank you, Billy. That I call my home. Hey there. Keith Odett. We're pulling into the yard where Rolling Thunder sits right now. It's the Airstream I'll be living in.
Look at you. You're the prodigal son. You're quite a prize. I've done questionable things, also extraordinary things. Revel in your time.
There she sits, Rolling Thunder.
Leave alone. Leave alone.
But here we go. Time to get dirty, time to make it work.
Why are you so odd? Others just like to watch the world